What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. Ah, look, you guys, we finally have pop beds. If you guys haven't seen these in your stores yet, this is what they look like. We have the squares. I'm just seeing yellow and green squares. We have this little, like, I guess it's like a little unicorn. We have yellow and green unicorns. We have this little, like, octopus. It's available in green, pink, and yellow. We have the lovely unicorn. We have the dinosaur. Let's see, did I show you guys this one already? The super cute little circle. More of the unicorns. The little unicorn horn is just so tiny and cute. And I think that's it. So mostly yellow and green here in my store. You guys, we have more exciting items for the week. Right behind me here, we have the family size multi-grain Cheerios with real strawberries. In case you guys missed my live, I showed these during my live. I go live every Monday, sometimes Tuesdays if I have, like, you know, an appointment and have to reschedule my Mondays. But typically every Monday, you guys, be sure you check out my lives because I show all the new items for the week, you know, as much as I can in like 20 minutes. We have even more family size Cinnamon Toast Crunch chocolate churros. This one is 19.7 ounces. This one is 14.1 ounces. You guys, we have new hair accessories for the week. Super pretty hair clips. Still tons of Gildan and Hanes shirts for adults and kids. Last week, I even saw plus sizes. And don't forget about the Beverly Hills Polo Club socks that are here. We also have a men's Beverly Hills Polo body wash, same brand. Over here, you guys, I spotted these stylus, perfect for iPads, tablets. It's the On brand, which means this came from Walmart, and I'm gonna say these probably went for about $6. I'm not really sure. I haven't looked it up yet, but they're super cute. One looks like a jumbo crayon, and the other one looks like a pretty regular size pencil. They look really nice and sturdy. These are so cute, aren't they? The fat primary pencils for writing. Super, super cute. If you're a couponer, we have $2 off 2 Bic stationery products, which would make anything you get in here for free. The coupon is good for 2 off 2. So all you're gonna do is pay the sales tax. We have boxed Bic pens. We also have the Bic Gelosity pens. And we have the Bright Liners by Bic. I think we might have a couple more items in here. The Bic cover up. But basically that's all I'm seeing in my store. This is a great deal. 8 glue sticks for $1. The big 8-ounce container. We have the little Elmers in here. In some of my other locations, I was purchasing the green glitter glue and the yellow changes in the sunlight glue. Both really, really nice, and by Elmer's. Perfect for whatever you need it for, including making slime. These are so cute. These are so cute, you guys. Look, this is a little 3-pack. A cute little 3-pack. I love this color combo that they put together. Super cute. They're just calling them storage containers. Make sure you get your bundle of 3. We also have little pencil containers down here. Or if you're going off to college, this could be a really affordable shower caddy. If you just need a small little caddy, you could make it work for that as well. Hero Time. Oh, these are cute. And Girl Power over here. Let's see. That one was out. Let's look at this one. Aw, coming through. And 3, 2, 1, go. Those are super cute. I haven't really done too much with the back to school area lately. So if you guys want to see more back to school items, just let me know. I have filmed over here a couple of times, but you guys know how Dollar Tree is. They tend to add to it every single week. If you guys caught my live, then you saw all of these. This location has so many cute pieces for fall, brand new fall decor, all of the cute little hanging decor. So cute. All of the window clings, autumn, a turkey, the truck, hello fall. We have ribbons and paint sets. Harvest time. Pumpkins, wheat, and sunflowers. We have 3 varieties of the little scarecrow picks. There's 3 different color combos on the hats. Wooden DIY decor, and we have super cute picks, medium, large, and small. The small ones are really cute, aren't they? Look at that. You get 4 to a bag on the large. We have a variety of ribbon, gold foil, skinny ribbon. We have the glitter tulle. We also have these super cute hanging pillows. I think like 4 or 5 varieties. Give thanks. Bless our family. Grateful hearts gather here. We have the clippy pumpkins, the clippy leaves. They just have little metal clips on the back. We have probably 3 varieties of the corn. I have a feeling there's probably a red one, but they're sold out. We have these decorative plaques, even more hanging decor. Pumpkin is the spice of life. These little guys here, monogram pumpkins. These are so cute, aren't they? More glass pumpkins, shiny pumpkins, even more glass pumpkins, even more here. The pumpkins with the flowers. More pumpkins, gourds, and corn. We have the glitter pumpkins. Look at that, the gingham pumpkin. We even have a velvet pumpkin. These are just so cute. We have so many new items for the week. I'm really happy that I found the poppets. I'm super happy about the full-size, family-size cereals, all the new fall decor. I'm really, really glad I came out to this location. But hey, you guys, join me in my very next video. We're starting to see some Halloween items. I'm gonna show this entire display and then show you guys even more new items. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.